Hi, today I'm for Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2022 and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So let's first select, for example, these two photos to hide them. Then just click to More section and to hide them, click Move to Secure Folder. Just welcome to Secure Folder. Click here to continue. We could use the mail or phone or just sign in with the Google account. So now we should just enter the code here. So I just wanna okay, click to verify, send into the HardReset.Info. Okay, click to continue. Now just wait while your device creating the secure folder. So now we should set for example, the PIN password of pattern security. I'll use the pattern. Click to activate. Tap to next. Now just select once again this. Okay, we can see that we just moved these photos to the secure folder. So just now how we could find them. Sure, the first way we could go to the settings. Here enter the secure folder. So you will find it in security and privacy section. Okay, click the secure folder and enter one from your protect methods here. Notifications and data. Oh. Okay, let's find the secure folder here in the applications, and we'll see here the camera, notes or gallery. Open gallery, and here you'll see your hide photos. Just to unhide them, select them, click to more and tap move out of secure folder. After that you will find them in your photo gallery again. So let's open it and we can see there's two photos. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.